This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use. So we have the AI generator option. I have the photo. All I have to do is pretty much take a photo of a something that you want to turn into a tattoo and pretty much do your tattoo. You know what I mean? But you have the AI generator option. All you have to do is pretty much upload your image and as well select the style of the tattoo that you may want to get the image for, and as well the background that I want it to be white or I want it to be black, whichever one you choose, guys. But most likely, most of you guys gonna choose white. And as well, you can adjust the color. And as you can see here, you have the detail option, dotted, and also just the regular normal one, or you can just go with the classic. All depends upon you. And as well, if you don't have any photo, you want to create a tattoo out of thin air, you can pretty much use AI by generating your tattoo as well. So you pretty much enter your prompt as what you want to generate. You select your style and as well go ahead and select your background. So let's say, for example, you want something jargon related. As you can see here, you have some other, I would say, preset words which can pretty much give you some prompt to use, and you can go ahead and test out those. You select the classic option, you can go ahead and select color, and once you do that, you pretty much tap on generate. So do keep in mind this application is not for free. You're going to need a subscription. However, they do give you a 3 days free trial for you to test out the application. And yeah, so as you can see here, this is pretty much the results of how it will look once you pretty much go ahead and use their tool. And it looks really great, as you can see here, the example at the top. So that's really pretty much it. Very straightforward and simple application, nothing much. And if you do have a picture of something that you want to take to turn into a tattoo and so forth, you can go ahead and take a photo and you're good to go. So very easy application to use. And you tap on this option here, you must see anything that they have generated or created on the application will be found in the project section. And that's really pretty much it for the application. Nothing much, very easy to use. And if I miss anything at all, guys, let me know in the comment section. See you guys in the next one.